I am so excited to go on another work trip on a working day because that is what work assignments look like. It's one day before I leave. I have an early morning flight at 9 a.m. Leaving home at 6:30 tomorrow, and I've finished drafting my articles for the week, so I'm tension free, not carrying my laptop. And I'm so excited to show you. Let's go to Kerala. This is Mangalore Airport. Multiple resorts in Kerala. Our driver was playing the song Fakira, so I thought it was a very warm welcome. Then my mom actually told me she thought of me when she was using the kettlebells and throwing it on the floor to remove her anger, and I don't know how I feel about that. उनका kettlebell use कर रही थी और मैंने pretend किया कि मैं यशिता को उठा के फेंक दिया. वो बेक गेटवे बेक कर दवा भैया एक सेकंड ये लो. एकदम साउथ इंडियन में आने लग गए. बेकर गेटवे बेकर सोना सी एंटो ceremony, but let me just show you. There are wooden almiras or almaris with magnetic lights and this beautiful space. While Mama is showing Papa the jacuzzi and explaining to him how much we miss him, but honestly, after coming here, I feel nice. I had a lot of cramps on my way here, like you heard. The weather is insane, and I can already suspect filming a dance video here with mom just because I saw, if you remember the last vlog to Coorg, which happened exactly a year ago in September. Family lake hai room ke, and phone is charging, mom is changing, I am using the hot water bag, and then now just quickly did a little concealer and blush to make our way for the houseboat tour. Mom and me both in pink. Our evening commute for the day was a private house.
We are going too long now.
We are in the middle of Kerala with nothing but just the chirping birds, and now mom will start talking, so you'll hear nothing but the asking for tea or tummy. 1.5 hours from the property, so it was extremely exhausting to go back to the room after Onam, change into a different outfit, put on makeup, have no time to rest, and then head right back. At the property, the pace changes without losing connection to the landscape, and Gateway Bekal's location beside the backwaters makes the water an extension of the stay. And one of the most memorable experiences was getting this DM from my follower after they saw a post my mom posted on her account saying that this is the second trip I took my mom with me on for work. The fact that he spoke about my career choices and how I should be proud of my parents, except the other way around, everything that I have and everything that I am growing to become. The fact that I can be someone else's inspiration was also very inspirational to me. So especially this DM was extremely sentimental. to be very, very honest, the people on the boat, driving the boat and, showing us around were really sweet. But I could not stand it when they asked me twice or 4 times to fill a Google review and fill the form and this and that. And I'm like, if I wanted to, I would samne se, and I always do. Like the nature trek, which is part 3 of this vlog series that you will see I want to do it from the honesty of my heart because I actually had a great time. And when someone asks you to, propels you to do something, you instantly don't want to do it, and you will only do it when you feel like it. So this is just like reminding me of, ask my mom. I don't ask you all to like, share, subscribe every video. I ask my mom too because she's my mom.
Yes.
And I was just telling her ki abhi, like at the houseboat, these guys asked us to give them Google reviews, etc. And then I realized it was very annoying. And then mom was like,
Even you do like this. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe.
You all should like and subscribe because I've been very consistent. Like this video will also go up Saturday, Sunday. ये आता है, ये नहीं आता है.
ये आता है तो यही तो की हूँ मैं.
हाँ ना यार.
I'm very writing.
Removed all the makeup, all the concealer. Come closer, na, sit here. We'll have a jeera water before our second meal. अब बहुत छोटे नाटे नहीं दिख रहे. Okay, let's take you through all the chef's special courses. The first one was an amla carrot mix pickle, which was a vibrant blend of fresh amla carrot inspired by India's regional pickle traditions. Marwadi, Delhi-wala, Punjabi, Banarasi spice influences, bringing over a layer of tang, heat and aroma. Hi, what's up? Wow, इतने अच्छे मूड में क्या हुआ? Us green pea tikki, which was shaped into, but what I really enjoyed was the paneer canapé. Of course, after watching Ari's vlogs, I think that is all I like. The mushroom. Where is the surface based? The second course was a salad, quinoa, chickpea and cumin salad. Prepares you for everything that follows.
Congratulations, इतना व्रत करता है तो इतना व्रत करेगा तब करेगा तो कुछ मिलेगा.
Then came the rasam, which is a soup. This is course number 3, which is built around tamarind, spices and aromatic herbs. It's light, tangy and comforting. It doesn't overwhelm your palate before you go to the main course, which is course number 4, which is a veg stew and appam. You know how much I love appams, especially the ones that they make here in Kerala. They are soft, lacy and like... with a creamy texture. The cheera
dal fry,
stew,
made of coconut gravy.
the Nilgiri veg korma, which was inspired by lush Nilgiri hill. We also had some dal fry, ghee rice, and a last course was a dessert, which was the chef's pudding. Smooth, delicate.
It's a mask.
On to the last course and the final dessert course of our dinner, and I have just finished having my lemon soda.
I'm ready to eat my dessert. Yummy. So soft. You put and just go inside it.
Closes the entire experience on a soft and comforting note.
चिकली दही चावल की याद आ गई अनार देख के.
याद से Mama, if I had a fiance, I think you would
Not
know.
fiancé, boyfriend. You have boyfriend? Don't tell me lie.
This is the
Yes.
there
is something.
Focus ही नहीं हो रहा.
There is something going. Khichdi packing. We
Kerala
are
में
not
कुछ
aware. I'm not aware of.
Sure. After which we went back to our room to prep for the next morning, which was starting really early. Cannot wait for you guys to watch that vlog.
Oh, okay, Bala. Bala, you can call Bala, okay?